BlackRock founder, chairman, and CEO Larry Fink has said crypto represents a digitized alternative to popular hedging assets, such as gold, after his firm filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to launch a Bitcoin ETF. Having previously been more neutral on digital assets than other prominent figures including Warren Buffett, the founder of the world's largest asset manager has recently been outspoken in favor of the asset class's potential, and last year even describing tokenization as the next evolution in securities. Crypto is digitizing gold in many ways. Instead of investing in gold as a hedge against inflation, a hedge against the onerous problems of any one country or the devaluation of your currency. As I have said in the past, we are a believer in the digitization of products. ETFs were a big revolution for the mutual fund industry, and they are really taking over the mutual fund industry.